Recently, we came up with a modular capsule awning called Carso Lite to make installation faster and easier. Wanted to create a magnet that makes installation quick and easy on the car. But then came the big question, how strong does the magnetic force need to be to stay stable? Strong magnet force. Let's say we want to attach an awning to the side of a vehicle to prevent it from getting blown away by a typical breeze. We needed to calculate exactly how much magnetic force is required. Most commercial magnets offer a pull force of around 2 to 3 kilograms. That sounds okay, but it's not nearly enough. They can easily detach when exposed to strong wind. So we turned to science. We used the Beaufort wind scale to simulate wind pressure. Taking Beaufort level 5 wind around 40 kilometers per hour as a benchmark, we converted that to 11.11 meters per second and used the standard dynamic pressure formula. With an air density of 1.225 kilograms per cubic meter and a 4 square meter surface area, the wind pressure comes out to about 75.6 pascals. That gives us a total force of 302.4 newtons, which equals around 30.8 kilograms force across the surface. Split between 4 magnets, that means each one needs to hold at least 7.7 kilograms. Taking material thickness and spacing into account, we ended up choosing N35 neodymium magnets with a pull force of 8 kilograms each. But that brought up another problem. The stronger the magnet, the harder it is to remove. For many people, especially women, it's nearly impossible to detach by hand. Magnetic adjust mechanism. I remember a time when I installed a solar panel on my van's roof. I used dozens of powerful magnets. The setup was solid. I was happy until I had to remove them. It was a nightmare. I had to pry each one off one by one. It was time-consuming, exhausting, and I nearly damaged the panel in the process. That's when it hit me. Why can't magnetic force be adjustable? That's what inspired us to create the adjustable magnetic mount. We wanted a magnet that works like a volume knob. Just twist it and the magnetic strength adjusts. It sounds simple, but engineering it was anything but. Magnetic force factors. To make it happen, we had to completely rethink how a magnet is built. Magnetic force is influenced by several factors. Magnet size. The larger the magnet, the wider the magnetic field and the stronger the pull. Magnet grades range from N30 to N52. Higher grades mean stronger magnetism, better for heavy-duty use. Alignment and distance. Closer and more aligned the magnet is to the surface, the stronger the effect. Ferromagnetic metal thickness. The material and thickness of the metal also matter. Thinner metal weakens the magnetic force. With these principles in mind, we designed a spiral lifting structure that allows us to adjust the magnetic force mechanically. Helico mechanism. According to electromagnetic theory, magnetic force decreases exponentially with distance. Even a small gap can reduce the pull significantly. Traditional magnets rely on full contact, so when you want to remove them, you're fighting the full force directly. It's tiring and can scratch the surface or hurt your fingers. Instead of pulling directly against the full force, our mechanism lets you twist the magnet upward gradually. This reduces surface contact step by step, releasing the magnet safely and effortlessly. In short, we didn't change the magnet itself. We changed how it interacts with metal by controlling the distance with a screw-driven lift. That's the core idea behind Magic Magnet. Now, let's take a closer look at how it works. This is the Magic Magnet. At its core is a 30mm by 10mm neodymium magnet. Encased in durable plastic, it's firmly secured with screws and thread lock glue. The entire magnetic unit is combined with a rotating base and a non-slip rubber ring at the bottom. Magic Magnet has an M6 threaded hole and the top features a star-shaped nut. Once tightened, the whole magnetic module locks into the rotating base. By twisting the dial, the magnet raises or lowers to adjust the force. We even added a hidden pull tab that can be used to hang items. Each Magic Magnet can support up to 8 kilograms on ideal surface, though results may vary depending on metal type and thickness. Now let's talk about what makes the Magic Magnet more than just a strong magnet. The Magic Magnet measures 50 by 53 by 28 millimeters. Its housing is made from impact-resistant polycarbonate, keeping it both lightweight and durable. Inside, the magnets are nickel-plated to resist rust and oxidation, and the other metal components are made of stainless steel for reliable long-term use outdoors. The whole structure has passed a 1.5-meter drop test, so whether you're installing it, removing it, or accidentally dropping it outside, it still works perfectly. When we designed this magnet, we didn't just want to solve a technical problem. We wanted to create something that fits into your life. Let's take a closer look at the 5 main functions of the Magic Magnet. Bottom of the magnet attaches firmly to metal surfaces. With a thick enough magnetic surface, it can hold up to 8 kilograms. By turning the side handle, can slightly lift the magnet and reduce the magnetic force, making it easier to detach. The front side is also magnetic, not as strong as the base, but perfect for holding small metal items like screws or tools during setup. On top, there's a built-in loop that works with cords or ropes to secure tents, windbreaks, or hang accessories like fans or lights. The top has a star-shaped nut. Loosen it a few turns, though no need to remove it completely, and the small gap that opens up can be used as a temporary hanging point for lightweight gear. Lock, fully remove the star nut, and you reveal an M6 thread underneath. You can swap the nut for any M6 compatible accessory, or even drill a hole in a flat panel and fasten it directly. We originally designed the Magic Magnet for attaching Carsu light during quick roadside breaks. Just a quick snap and it's up, no drilling, no mess. And when the weather changes, you can take it down in seconds. Need to hang something inside your car but don't want to stick hooks everywhere? Use the Magic Magnet to mount phone holders, nets, hooks securely and cleanly. It's not just for outdoor use. The adjustable force opens the door to countless new applications. That's our introduction to Magic Magnet. It's designed to make outdoor life more convenient, especially for those using modular car tents like the Carsul. It helps with fast setup and it's great for organizing your car camping gear. If you're interested, check out our Kickstarter campaign to support the project.